Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, right. Now, in the carcinoma esophagus, if you see what are the features of malignant lymph nodes on the endoscopic ultrasonography. How can you diagnose the malignant lymph nodes on endoscopic ultrasonography? On endoscopic ultrasonography, malignant lymph nodes are diagnosed by the following ways. The malignant lymph nodes are echo poor structures or hypoechoic structures are seen. They have sharply demarcated borders with rounded contour is seen. So here they are hypoechoic structures with well demarcated borders and round contours are seen, and they are of size more than 1 centimeter is seen in the endoscopic ultrasonography.
thank you and thank you for watching.